Hello, my dear friend. I am fine. And you? Have you had coronavirus? What did you do during confinement? Oh, glad you didn't get COVID. That is a difficult situation. What are you going to do? Are you going to stay to live there? Are you going to return to your country? Uh, I haven't had coronavirus. Um, During confinement, I was at home all the times. I had virtual classes. I did my homework, listened to music, watched television, and here out at home with cleaning and no more. Um, my family and my friends are fine. Thank you for you asking. And your family? Oh, I am so sorry. COVID has changed our life. Definitely, my life changed a lot with coronavirus because now in my university the classes are virtual. I am at home all the time. I just go out to walk my dog and to the supermarket to buy groceries. Mm, Also, in my house, we implement protocols to prevent contagion. Like when I enter the house, I must disinfect my shoes, the shopping bags, and mats with alcohol. I must wash my hands for me. And finally, I think that now I can share more time with my family and my dog. Um, oh, good. I like talking to you. There are my friends. Bye bye.